Guys, what I'm going to do today is that basically I'm going to try, well, I've gotten really bored and desperate, and I basically did my makeup look. Anyway, besides all of that, my makeup and all things, what I'm going to do today is basically I am going to call some of my YouTube guy friends, and I am going to basically tell them I have something to show them and all this thing, and basically flirt kind of with them. But then what I'm going to show them, I'm going to show them my banana. You wonder what you mean by I'm going to show them my banana. I'm going to put this banana in my pants, and I'm going to show them my banana just to see their reaction. And you wondering, okay, was it kind of a prank? I've gotten bored. It's not a prank because I'm not going to be malicious or evil. I thought it would be cool to do something since I'm bored and there's nothing to put on the channel during this quarantine time. So yes, I thought that would be so cool to put that on the channel just to get their reaction. Alright, so I'm about to call them right now. Alright, here we go. Well, I'm gonna call them on WhatsApp, Wi-Fi. So yeah. So I was basically trying to call them to let them know that I'm gonna call them and ask them a question. But you guys know I'm not gonna ask them any questions. But you know, I'm trying to get to them. But most of them not answering their phone and some are on the road. So I guess I'll do some of this prank tomorrow. But for now, even the one or two that answer, I'm going to try my best to get that person. Right. So I'm wearing my shorts now. And I'm going to change off from my shorts to this black tights, so that way the print of the banana can show better. Because if it can't show, it defeats the purpose of trying to get to that person. Alright, so I'm going to change and let's start. tried to play a joke on my friends and I failed. The audio in my phone keeps chipping in and out. So if I even put this video up, guys, you'll see their reactions, but you won't hear anything. But I guess I'm gonna try again tomorrow. I'll try again tomorrow and see if I get other person's reaction and audio this time. So I'll put them together. But yeah, I kind of failed. But let's try again. And the worst thing about the reaction was so good. Like, good afternoon. Yes. Oh, I'm gonna wash my ear and all these things. Anyway, so I plan to do my prank today. Well, try to see if I can prank other YouTubers, guy YouTubers today. But the place hot. And so I decided that it's a no, because me a burn up. And yeah. So the prank that you guys gonna see is where there's no audio in it, but you guys understand what I was trying to do. Anyway, yeah, I can't do the place off, but in case of anything, I'll do a different prank and I'll record it, but I don't know when I'll put it up to see how it goes, if I get any response from anybody with this new prank that I'm going to do. I'll tell you guys about the new prank later on when I try and do it, if I want it or if I really plan to do it, because I'll do something, but I'm not a big prank fan, so that's why. But I was still trying something, so this is me trying it. Well, you guys will see that part already. Yeah, but that was me basically trying to do a prank and I failed. Yeah. Anyway, so that's it for now, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye. Bye bye.